Alright, so we are out on Lake Jocassee and we are going to do some drone flying around some cliffs, some waterfalls, and our goal is to not end up in the water. So let's get started.
Boom! Yeah, nice.
Beautiful.
Yeah, nice.
Beautiful. That worked perfect. Alright, hands clear. 3, 2, 1, go. See where I'm at. That way.
Gotcha.
Yeah. Yeah, that battery was deader than I thought though. You only get, I didn't know, I didn't figure out I flew it that much on that last pack. I got some pretty cool ones on that one. Yep.
I bet that's cool that this way.
Yeah, that should look really good. Alright, you ready?
You are. thumb.
You all right?
Yeah, I'm good.
Probably should wear your gloves.
What you fishing for there?
Well, sometimes when you're out here in the wild, you can catch a mavic. They normally try to stay about, I don't know, hopefully about 10 feet underwater, maybe less. I got it.
Hey, drone in the boat. Drone in the boat. Show us what you caught.
A rare DJI Mavic. All right, so we are out of the water. A fairly successful day. This may be released in 2 videos. I mean, we got some awesome footage today, and I hope it shows up on the GoPro. We put some effort into it. I was out here with my cousin Seth. Appreciate him helping me get the footage that we had and catching the drone. Yeah, nipped his thumb a little bit on one of the recoveries there, so he sacrificed for this video today. But I challenge you, especially the people who I follow that fly drones, who have 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 subscribers, to get out there and risk it a little bit and fly around and capture some like amazing things. Stop, get out of your backyard, quit being afraid to fly it over water. You'll see today, you know, we took some losses, and but it was worth it. I mean, the footage is turned out great, and it's not things you get to see every day. So take some risk and get out there, and I challenge you to do that. Get out of your backyard, go fly around some awesome stuff. If you crash, you crash, accept it and move on. Other than that, you know, like the video, thumbs up, and you know, please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thanks, y'all have an awesome day. We'll catch you in a few days with another one. Peace.